Welcome back to Stocks Telegraph, the channel where we decode the world of stocks and investing, helping you make informed decisions and navigate the financial markets. Today we're diving into a topic that's always buzzing in the investing community: what stocks to buy under $10. We know that the allure of finding a gem in the rough, a stock that's not only affordable but has the potential for growth, is something that excites every investor. After all, if you've got a limited budget or just want to diversify your portfolio, these lower-priced stocks can be your ticket to the investing game. But before we dive into our top picks, remember that investing in stocks, whether they're $10 or $1,000, always carries risks. It's essential to do your homework, consider your investment goals, and, if possible, consult with a financial advisor before making any moves. In this video, we'll reveal our carefully selected stocks, each under $10, along with their latest financials and growth potential. We'll explore why these stocks could be worth your consideration. So, if you're ready to uncover some intriguing investment opportunities without breaking the bank, keep watching. But before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our valuable insights. Now, let's get into it and find out what stocks are making waves under the $10 mark. Our first pick on the list of stocks under $10 is SoFi Technologies Inc, trading under the ticker SOFI. SoFi isn't just any financial services platform, it's a game changer in the student loan market. With a current price of just $6.94, SoFi stands out as an affordable opportunity for investors. It's worth noting that it's trading around 40.68% below its 52-week high, which could present an entry point for those looking to make the most of this stock. In terms of performance, SoFi has been making substantial strides, with a year-to-date performance of 50.54%. But what's more impressive is that its growth extends beyond the stock price. The company boasts a solid gross margin of 60.34%, indicating that it's managing its finances efficiently. Additionally, the EPS growth this year stands at 42.63%, underlining its ability to adapt to market conditions and expand. This growth trajectory is further supported by a quarterly revenue growth of 62.98%, highlighting its growing financial footprint. One key factor contributing to this growth is the surge in student loan originations. In the third quarter, SoFi reported a doubling in student loan originations compared to the previous year. As some borrowers began repaying loans after a 3-year pandemic forbearance pause, SoFi experienced a significant boost in business. This indicates a favorable trend that aligns with the broader economic landscape. Deposits at SoFi also saw substantial growth, doubling to reach $15.7 billion. Interestingly, the company's deposit growth outpaced loan growth for the third consecutive quarter, demonstrating a growing influx of funds. This boost in deposits and lending activity significantly benefited the company's net interest income, which more than doubled from the year-ago period. Net interest income is a key metric in the banking sector, representing the revenue earned from the difference between the interest paid on deposits and the interest charged on loans. So, if you're searching for an affordable investment option with growth potential, SoFi Technologies Inc could be an intriguing candidate in the under $10 category. Now, let's move on to our next under $10 stock. Our next gem in the under $10 category is Nu Holdings Ltd, trading under the ticker NU. Nu Holdings is a Brazil-based digital bank, and it's not just another financial institution, it's a company that's been capturing the attention of none other than Warren Buffett himself. As of now, Nu Holdings boasts a remarkable year-to-date performance of 98.53%. This is a clear testament to the robust growth the company is experiencing. When you look at the financials, you'll notice some eye-popping figures. For instance, the company maintains a healthy gross margin of 60.80%, indicating effective financial management. However, what truly sets Nu Holdings apart is its growth story. In the second quarter of 2023, the company reported a staggering 60% increase in revenue compared to the previous year. Even more impressive, Nu Holdings managed to add 4.6 million customers, marking a 28% surge over the previous year. This brought their total customer base to an impressive 83.7 million. The company's operations extend beyond Brazil, it's also active in Colombia and Mexico. And these aren't just random locations. These are regions where the digital banking revolution is unfolding, and Nu Holdings is riding the wave. In Brazil, for instance, Nu Holdings has already captured a significant market share, with 49% of the adult population as its customers. Nearly half of the country's adults rely on Nu Holdings for their banking needs. This is a remarkable feat considering it's a relatively new player in the industry, and Brazil's banking landscape has traditionally been dominated by a handful of large, traditional banks. With a substantial customer base, impressive growth figures, and a thriving presence in the digital banking hotspots of Brazil, Colombia, and Mexico, New Holdings is a stock worth exploring for those who believe in the future of digital banking. Now, let's move on to our third under $10 stock. Our next under $10 treasure is Ginkgo Bioworks Holdings, trading under the ticker DNA. Ginkgo Bioworks is a company that's changing the biotech landscape, and it's doing so with a strong commitment to science and innovation. At the time of this video, Ginkgo Bioworks stock is trading at a modest $1.33, making it an accessible investment option. What's more intriguing is the mean target price set by analysts, which stands at $4.02. This suggests potential for substantial growth from its current price. Now, let's dive into the numbers. Ginkgo Bioworks maintains a gross margin of 46.47%, highlighting its ability to manage its finances efficiently. What sets Ginkgo Bioworks apart is its remarkable growth story. In a year that's seen considerable challenges, Ginkgo Bioworks has managed to achieve EPS growth of 71.90%. This indicates a company that's not just surviving but thriving in its field. Even more impressive is the company's annual sales growth over the past 5 years, which stands at a staggering 180.81%. This kind of growth is a clear sign of a company with a winning formula. In terms of quarterly earnings growth, Ginkgo Bioworks has achieved a remarkable 78.29% increase. This kind of growth is a strong indicator of the company's ability to adapt and excel in a rapidly changing biotech landscape. But what makes Ginkgo Bioworks even more intriguing is its mission. The company has partnered with Penn State University to integrate its biosurveillance capabilities into research involving 58 wildlife species for COVID-19. This initiative aims to monitor the potential spillover of the virus to humans. Such efforts highlight the company's commitment not only to its growth but also to making a positive impact on public health and the environment. Ginkgo Bioworks is more than a biotech company, it's a pioneer that's making a real difference in the world. Its accessible stock price and strong growth figures make it an intriguing investment option, especially for those who believe in the power of science and innovation. Our fourth under $10 stock is a real game changer in the cryptocurrency industry, Cipher Mining Inc., trading under the ticker CIFR. Cipher Mining is at the forefront of Bitcoin mining, and its YTD performance is nothing short of astounding at 523.21%. As of now, the stock is priced at $3.49, which makes it an affordable entry into the world of cryptocurrencies. But it's not just about the stock's performance that's impressive, it's the financials. Cipher Mining has seen EPS growth this year of 39.45%, which is remarkable, especially in the highly volatile crypto space. In terms of quarterly earnings growth, Cipher Mining stands strong with an impressive 56.78% increase. This shows the company's ability to navigate the ups and downs of the cryptocurrency market successfully. One notable factor is the company's total debt-to-equity ratio, which stands at a mere 0.09. This low ratio signifies that Cipher Mining is not heavily reliant on debt to finance its operations. It's a sign of financial stability and a responsible approach to growth. Cipher Mining isn't just mining bitcoins, it's building a complete cryptocurrency ecosystem in the United States. This is a strong indicator of the company's long-term vision and its commitment to the future of cryptocurrencies. As the world continues to shift towards digital assets, Cipher Mining is well positioned to be a key player in this transformative industry. Its accessible stock price and robust financials make it an exciting investment opportunity for those who believe in the potential of cryptocurrencies. Our fifth and final under $10 stock is a true force in the energy sector, Uranium Energy Corp, trading under the ticker UEC. With a current price of $5.72, UEC offers an exciting opportunity for investors looking to tap into the uranium market. The YTD performance of UEC stands at an impressive 47.42%, showcasing its resilience and potential for growth. But it's not just recent performance that makes UEC appealing, it's the broader financial picture. Both the quick ratio and the current ratio, which measure a company's liquidity, are robust for UEC. The quick ratio stands at 4.02, while the current ratio is an even stronger 4.53. These ratios suggest that UEC is well positioned to meet its short-term financial obligations, and they indicate strong financial health. One exceptional factor is UEC's total debt-to-equity ratio, which remarkably stands at 0.00. This means the company has no long-term debt relative to its equity. It's an indicator of prudent financial management and minimizes the financial risk for investors. Uranium is a critical component in the world's energy mix, and as demand for cleaner and more sustainable energy sources grows, UEIC's role in the sector becomes increasingly vital. With a strong balance sheet and solid performance, Uranium Energy Corporation is positioned to play a significant role in the global shift towards cleaner energy solutions. That concludes our list of under $10 stocks, each offering unique opportunities for investors. Remember to conduct your research and consider your investment goals before making any decisions. Thank you for joining us on Stocks Telegraph, and as always, happy investing. We look forward to bringing you more valuable insights in the future.